Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you Shopify product page tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So we all know that editing your Shopify page here or your store can be a really hassle one, especially if you're not familiar with the editors or the editor options that you have. So currently we are in our admin dashboard here. So let's go to online store here and choose the option that says customize. Now, also in the customize page, it will show you your homepage here, which in this case, and most likely, you've already edited your homepage here. Now, you might be wondering, how do you edit your other pages here? Well, editing other pages, especially your product page, is actually pretty easy. So what we need to do is we need to go to the top section of your screen here, go to the home page that you see there, go ahead and click on it, and from here you want to go to products. Now once you click on products, you should see the following options, but in this case, for us to edit our product page, we need to go to default products. So the default product section, this will actually show you what your products would actually look like on the product page itself. So as you can see, there's going to be a bunch of images. I've also added different applications or add-ons to my page here. As you can see, I also have ratings here and some applications that you see here. Now, you could actually add this yourself if you want to. You just need to search it on the App Store or the Upmarket, and they will show you how to install that, so don't worry on it. But in this case, I'll be showing you some basics on editing your product page here. Now, if you click on the add block section here, you should be able to see different blocks that you can edit or add. You have the text, SKU, inventory status if you want to show that, the custom liquid, collapse row, pop-up product rating, complementary products, and icon with text. Now in this case, maybe I want to add a section here for inventory status. Now in this case, it's going to give you the section here. As you can see, this is going to be the inventory status. Now we already have 9 stocks left, so if you want to show that to your customers. Now, you also have the option to add different sections, like for example, rich text, quick order list, collection list, college, multi-column, multi-row, and a lot more. Now, you could choose whatever that you want to add here. Like for example, I want to add a rich text here. Let's go ahead and add that, and you can just basically start editing. Like for example, the text section here, if you want to change that, at the right side here, you should be able to change the text and some designs on it, and even change the information or the paragraph section as well, and even the buttons if you have any. Now in this case, you could go ahead and just proceed with your edits that you want to do, but once you're done, just click on save at the top right to apply your changes, and we can just go back into our Shopify page and just click on the eye icon for us to reveal our current page. Now whenever we go to our catalog here and choose any of the products that we have, for example, I'm going to choose this product here, it should actually give us the option to view the changes that we added. Like for example, the stocks that we currently have right now and the different sections that we added here. Like for example, this section here. Now in this case, that's how you edit your product page here on Shopify, and it's actually pretty easy. Although there's going to be a lot of things that you should be able to do, I would suggest you to first explore what are those settings, and yeah, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.